Does that mean his name is Mario?
Pulling up just to give me that. So good, make her throw it back. You pulling up just to give me that. So good, make her throw it back. Pull it out and bust it on the ass crack. Any problems that we had, you know I'm past that. You pulling up just to give me that. So good, make her throw it back. Pull it out and bust it on the ass crack. Any problems that we had, you know I'm past that. Yeah, what I tell you about that? You heavy on my line, I see you really tryna chat. You talking about this, talking about that. Why don't you turn around and let me hit it from the back? You say you tryna get this pipe, best time of your life. Baby, come through, get right. You know I'm going hard for the whole night. Cause I don't see you tryna go. Other niggas chase you, but I know it's slow. Feed off your energy, I'm going with the flow. Niggas can't fuck with me, that's a double low. No. Track banger going dumb, young Billy Gold. I'm not just a rapper, play with words like a poet. And like a ticking time bomb, I'm waiting to explode. Your body shape good, nice white toes. Yeah. Your body shape good, nice white toes. Dick so good, I make her throw away her rose. You pulling up just to give me that. So good, make her throw it back. Pull it out and bust it on the ass crack. Any problems that we had, you know I'm past that. You pulling up just to give me that. So good, make her throw it back. Pull it out and bust it on the ass crack. Any problems that we had, you know I'm past that.
Before we even get started, please share and subscribe to the channel. Please share and subscribe to the channel, and also like the video. It costs nothing to like, and your support will help us go a long way. Today we're going to do a review or reaction video to Jay-Z and his alleged son Rymir Satterthwaite. Apparently this issue hasn't gone away, and now Rymir actually wants to file a motion in Supreme Court amid a 10-year paternity dispute. So we're going to get into that, and so here we go. Ryan Satterthwaite, he filed a motion in Supreme Court amid a 10-year dispute, and Jay-Z for quite some time, he's been avoiding this paternity test and fighting for answers, and while this young man has been fighting for answers for over a decade. So this case has been ongoing since 2011, right? Jay-Z apparently or allegedly had an affair with this boy's mom in the early 90s, and there was numerous attempts to get Jay-Z to take the DNA test, and he didn't comply. So while Jay-Z is out in the 90s singing how it's a hard knock life, he doesn't see that it's necessary to take care of this boy, if it is in fact his, right? So Satterthwaite's legal team right now, at this point, they're claiming that they have evidence proving that Jay-Z is the father, including testimony from witnesses that, apparently were present at the time when Jay-Z was with this boy's mom. So that's what the legal team is saying they have in their possession. Jay-Z's team is basically arguing that the case should be dismissed due to jurisdictional issues. So Jay-Z's team is like, this issue is out of the jurisdiction of where I reside, and therefore I shouldn't have to answer to it. Well, Jay-Z, you have to answer to things sometimes. No matter how much money you make or whatever success ladder you climb, you actually have to answer. All right. So they also claim that Satterthwaite's mother committed fraud by using a false address on the paternity paperwork. So this is what Jay-Z's camp is doing. It sounds like they just want to bleed this family out of legal money so that they can no longer compete. So they'll just keep filing motions and just delaying this. Right. Now he wants Jay-Z Rymir, the alleged son, he wants Jay-Z to be forced now to give up his DNA so he can prove once and for all that he is in fact his father. Jay-Z's attorney, they're saying that the allegations that previously been reviewed throughout the courts have been refuted before, and they expect it to be refuted again. But you know, Jay-Z, man, listen, you got to take care of the kids, man. Got to take care of the kids. You know, you can't, you know, we helped you as people get to where you are. We supported you. We liked your music. We promoted you. The least you could do is take care of a boy from the same communities and streets we all grew up on, right? So that's my, that's my issue with this, Jay-Z, is that, you know, step up. Market as charity. Make if you just still don't want to claim him as your son and you have some type of guilt internally that you know that you are his father, make right with some type of, I think, contribution, right? Some type of contribution. Find out, what the kid is into. Ask him, ask your team to consult with him and find out, what is his ambitions and what he's trying to do, and perhaps fund those things for him. And you can mark it as charity, right? You can mark it as a charitable donation. It doesn't hurt you to be at least that to the boy, right? Now, it's also worth noting that this is not the first time that Rymir has taken legal action against Jay-Z. In 2016, he also filed a lawsuit against Jay-Z, claiming that he was the father and demanding a paternity test at that time. That case was dismissed, and that was in a court in New Jersey, citing, again, lack of jurisdiction. So this is the game that they're going to continue to play. So regardless of the outcome, paternity testing ensures that children receive the proper support from biological parents, especially the father. Listen, at the end of the day, these celebrities, they're no better than you and I. They've just been blessed and privileged to make it and have that status, but they're no better than you and I, and nobody's above the law. So, we'll see what happens with this. They're gonna, this case is gonna be coming up, but I would like to hear what y'all think. Do y'all think that Jay-Z should just give in and take this paternity test so that this can all be squashed and go away? I mean, obviously it's lingering around for a reason, especially if the boy was dismissed a few times or a time ago for this same accusation. I mean, you got to make right on it, Jay. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. Appreciate you guys stopping by. And again, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one. Peace.